All right, before we wrap things up, let's take a little bit of time to talk about safety. I can already hear some of you clicking the skip button. Come back, this part actually matters. Preparing a live edge slab creates more than just wood chips. Between the sanding and the compressed air and the wire brush you're throwing a lot of fine dust into the air. And some of the wood species out there can be very surprisingly irritating or even toxic to your body or to your lungs if inhaled, a lot of it over an extended period of time. Anytime you're sanding or creating a lot of fine dust, I recommend that you use some type of respirator or a mask with HEPA filtration in it, or at a minimum, open a window. Or, you know, I'm fortunate I have a door to the outside. I can open up my door. Or if you have an air purifier, it's a good idea to get that running and leave that running for a good half hour to an hour after you stop with the sanding or any of the things where you're throwing dust. Turn that sucker on and leave it going for a good 30 minutes to an hour afterwards. Your lungs will appreciate it. If you don't have one of those, it's a very intelligent investment, I promise. Even your doctor would agree. All right, if you're running grinders, saws, planers, routers, any of those power tools for more than a few minutes, protect your hearing. Hearing loss isn't something that you notice all at once. It sneaks up on you. Just ask my wife. Apparently she's been talking to me for years. Anyway, once you start working with epoxy, I would also recommend some nitrile gloves. Most people, you're not going to have a lot of problems with occasional skin contact, but repeated exposure over time can cause some people to have some skin irritation or even some allergic reactions, so it's just not worth the risk. Plus, it's hard to clean off, and it's just annoying. Use gloves. You'll thank me. And finally, keep your shop clean. Extension cords, air hoses, scraps of wood, power cords, they all have an amazing ability to appear magically right where you're about to step. I wish I was kidding.